This book is dedicated to the flourishing of life on this rare and precious earth, and to the role each of us can play in responding to our planetary emergency. Welcome to June in Niagara. I feel like I have a whole new life. So much of what I once dreamt of has all come together in ways I never could have predicted. For one, I get to do this. I once dreamt of working at retreat centers. And while this is not a retreat center, it might be even better. The constellation of circumstances that have led me here, getting to lead all the creative content for a travel company in Niagara, it's surreal. Now that the weight of my master's degree is finally gone, and I'm only working one job, I feel like I get to finally enjoy this. Finally, all of my mind, my heart, and my soul can be here. Good morning. It's 6:30 a.m. right now on a Sunday morning, and as you can see, I'm at the Good Earth Winery. I really do not need to be here right now, but I did a lot of thinking yesterday, and I just really was like, I need a break. When can I fit in a break? And then where do I go to get a break? Because I kind of live in an oasis right now, so where else could I go that's like more of an oasis? One of the thoughts I landed on was that I just need to let go that I will get like this perfect break somewhere else. I do think it's really helpful, especially for someone like me who practically lives and breathes my work all the time. But I realized, like, you know what? I think I just need to let go of that idea and maybe just embrace the fact that I can find rest and refreshment here. And that maybe it's less about getting somewhere else to get this perfect break, but like slow down and keep slowing down, Anita, and keep doing what brings you joy. And somehow I just feel like the part of me that needs rest and a creative break will just find its own balance or find its own homeostasis or equilibrium so that I can keep creating things here without feeling like I need to leave to feel okay. All that to say, I woke up this morning, I was like, what shall I do? I spend a lot of my mornings, I try not to like rush out and jump and pick up a camera, but there's a part of me that actually loves picking up, like waking up at 4 a.m. and like picking up a camera. It gives me a sense of like purpose and getting things done, and also like the morning light is obviously amazing, as you can see. And I'm such a morning person, so I really need to catch a sunset at the Good Earth Winery because the sun sets that way, and so then I'm going to see if I can get like the light right behind it. This sunrise catches the light in front of the Good Earth, which is how you see most of my shots, where like the facade of the Good Earth is lit with this perfect golden light. But I'm such a morning person, so I haven't gotten a sunset shot yet, because usually by like 7 p.m., really 5 p.m., sometimes 3 p.m., my brain is kaput, and I've done everything I wanted to do that day because I start really early. Sunsets are still a work in progress, but mornings are much easier and much more fun for me to do, and obviously I try to have days off, but the funny thing about me is that my work and my hobby are really the same thing. The thing that I love to do that refreshes me, that gives me energy, is like finding beauty, seeing beauty, being able to capture it through a lens and then sharing it, which happens to also be one of the main things I get to do for work right now, which I love. This is the vegetable garden. We're gonna get to see this transform over the summer. So I'm gonna start getting shots of it. Found this spot, at least according to Google Maps, where there's supposed to be a waterfall. And now I really wish that I wore my hiking boots. Instead, I'm just wearing these like runners, so my toes are always already wet. But it looks like it's going to be gorgeous, and I'm quite due for a hike. I always feel so much better after I've done a hike. I don't think I've done one for like 3 weeks. So, yay! So there is our Bruce Trail sign, and let's see if I can find this waterfall. There's a mysterious piece to why I've chosen to stay in Niagara. And that is, when I got here, my soul felt at home. I honestly never thought I would find something that felt like home in Canada. But there's a specific tapestry of work, nature, where I currently live, and possibility, what the future holds, that tells me this is exactly where I'm supposed to be. Oh, there's something about the sound of the water that is calming me so much right now. I think I found the actual waterfall, which is much bigger than the little trickle that you saw earlier. So this is not nearly as lush as a waterfall in Jamaica, with turquoise waters that you could swim in, but it's still pretty nice. But from the top, I obviously couldn't see all the way down here. It's true, we only see how far we've come when we walk a little further ahead and then look back.